10th misconception is Muslims eat animals and we behave like animals, violent and ferocious. I do agree that today medical science tells us that what we eat, it has an effect on our behavior. That's the reason we Muslims, we are not permitted to eat the carnivorous animals like the lions, tigers, leopards, etc. We are only allowed to eat the peaceful animals like the cow, goat, sheep, etc. because we are peace lovers. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 157, the Prophet commands you that which is good and prohibits you and withholds you from that which is evil. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Hashr, chapter number 59, verse number 7, وَمَا آتَاكُمُ الرَّسُولَ فَخُذُوهُ وَمَا نَهَاكُمْ عَنْهُ فَانْتَهُوا. So take what the messenger has given you and withhold yourself from that which he withholds from you. There are certain types of food which are prohibited by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Certain wild animals, the carnivorous animals, those which belong to the cat family, like the lions, tigers, leopards, etc. Certain rodents like mice, rats, etc. Certain reptiles like snakes, alligators, crocodiles, etc. Certain birds with talons, with claws, like crows, owls, etc.